Is it easy to make mistakes when manually replacing the BGA chip? Automatic BGA chip grinder, reliable, simple, and efficient. Taking the removal of the touch IC from the iPhone 12 as an example. We just need to select the specific BGA chip file for the corresponding model. A few simple confirmations, and the operation can be completed. The machine will automatically verify the 5 planar points of the BGA chip. The machine will then automatically begin grinding. Let us take a look at the results.